Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing how people work, learn, and solve problems. And most people haven't realized just how big this shift really is. This might be the most important change to work since the internet itself. In this video, we're looking at 3 ways AI is already transforming the modern workplace. These changes are happening right now, and they touch almost every job in every industry. The first way AI is changing work is by becoming a thinking partner. Before AI, when you faced a big problem at work, you had 2 choices: figure it out alone or wait for the next meeting and hope someone had a better idea. Now there's a third option. You describe your problem to AI, and within seconds it gives you 10 different angles to consider. It helps you organize your thoughts, build outlines, and explore solutions you might never have reached on your own. You're no longer thinking in isolation. AI works like a coworker who's always available, never gets tired, and never judges a rough idea. That means faster decisions, stronger starting points, and far less time stuck staring at a blank page, wondering where to begin. The second way AI is changing work is by becoming a productivity assistant. Every job has tasks that eat up hours without adding real value. Writing routine emails, formatting reports, scheduling meetings, entering data. These small tasks feel harmless on their own, but they stack up fast and quietly consume most of the workday. AI can now handle many of them in the background. That frees you to spend your time on work that genuinely requires a human mind. The creative thinking, the judgment calls, the relationship building that no algorithm can replicate. AI doesn't replace your role. It removes the friction inside your role that slows you down. And that shift makes you faster, sharper, and more focused on the work that actually moves things forward. The third way AI is changing work is by becoming a learning tool. The world moves fast and new skills are always in demand. Before AI, learning something new usually meant reading long articles, sitting through hours of tutorials, or investing in expensive courses. Now AI can break down complex topics into clear, simple language. It explains difficult ideas step by step. It answers your follow-up questions instantly and adjusts to your level of understanding. Continuous learning becomes faster and more accessible for everyone, regardless of background or education level. You don't need to already be an expert to start exploring a new field. AI meets you exactly where you are and helps you build from there. So here's the truth about AI and work. AI isn't replacing people. It's becoming a powerful tool that helps people work smarter, learn faster, and adapt to a rapidly changing world. The people who learn to work alongside AI won't just keep up, they'll move ahead. If this video helped you understand how AI is changing work, subscribe. More videos on AI and productivity are coming soon.